right, power tour day one. We're in Memphis, just leaving the hotel, or I guess just getting the car situated, leaving the hotel. We had no oil. We had no fuel leak. Car's completely dry underneath, so I think our patch worked. It ain't pretty. It ain't pretty, but it's good. Some of our 40s from last night broke, or I should say some of our friends' 40s from last night broke on the ground. That sucks. Got air in it. We're gonna stop, get some ice for the coolers and some sunscreen on the way, but can't believe it. Old Faithful. You ready, Dad? Let's do it. Beautiful downtown Memphis. The roads here are not even remotely close to reasonably decent, so we are just going slow and taking it easy. Our first power parking of Power Tour. It's got our registration stuff. We're gonna go get the sticker. Dad's taking a picture of the car. We're ready to rock, see some cars. All right, we're in the registration line. Second year in a row, registration is chaos. If anybody from Hot Rod ever watches this, or from whoever the promoter is for this event, you need better signage. I love this event. The initial setup is awful. Like, we went to the wrong parking lot 4 times because there's no signs. We stood in the wrong line twice because there's no signs. Now I think we're in the right line, but right now it feels like we're on the line ride. Update, it's been 17 hours, we're still in line. I don't know if more people are getting through the line or if we're all just getting closer together. Got our stuff, we're registered, ready to hit the car, go check out some stuff. I'm so pumped. Glad to be on the line too. And so it begins. Trying to go look at cars. My dad just sitting here talking, always. This is crazy, there's all that line inside. That's the building we just came out of. This is the line to get into that building to wait in the next line. Like, oh my gosh. I feel like they're gonna get smoked online on the Facebook groups and stuff. This is pretty incredibly unorganized registration setup. Still going. My dad was annoyed at first because I was like, hey, hurry up, I wanna go get in line. And now I'm glad we did. Still going. Wraps all the way from there, all the way down there. Killer. All right, true tradition. Anything's a tradition if you do it more than once. That's my status, is put the Power Tour year on the windshield. This will be my first Power Tour sticker on this car. It's officially official now that we've got the 2022 on there. Officially official. We made it. We're checked in. First stop. Let's go look at some cars. In my pocket.
Amber moved to the suburbs.
Wild.
Molly moved out of state.
John Bailey, 6 seconds.
Dawn moved on to the next world, just to get away. The summer no good fool.
I'm pretty stoked. So on Wednesday's stop in Alabama, the car got picked to be in the Auto Biotag booth, which is gonna be sweet. So we get to put the car in the Midway. And then Thursday and Friday, Murray Pfaff offered us his spot in the Pilot Transport booth. So we'll have the car in the Midway 3 of the 5 days, which I think is pretty sweet.
I'm a bad, bad man. 'Cause I'm a no good fool.
I don't think we had the final copy.
And I mess around.
Put the fire out.
And I'm a no good fool. I'm low down, I'm 149, but I ain't no good for you. You're dancing with the devil when you dance with this no good fool. I'm a no good fool, and I mess around. Yeah, I'm a no good fool. I'm low down, I'm 149, but I ain't no good for you. You're dancing with the devil when you dance with this no good fool.
We're having fun at Toyota, everybody. We got a big old spin wheel. We got our awesome sleeper camera here. It is up on his hind leg right there. That thing has run the quarter mile.
This is the one we saw in the parking garage last night. Crazy. Wow, gorgeous. Fellas from Spider Garage made it. Alex Taylor right there. We gotta put the car together here. They just rewired the whole thing, he said. That's hilarious. Joe is here.
Lots of fun here at the eBay Motors 2022 Hot Rod Power Tour driven by Continental. It's just a couple of...
Well, you drink in the morning.
This car is carbon fiber
drink
body.
at
This is
night.
not a wrap. My dad was telling me about it
The
on the way
way
here.
you drinking, I know you ain't feeling right. I say, cause you drink so much, baby. You're the low down dirt shape. And the way you swallow that bottle, look out to be your middle name. You got whiskey on your floor, gin in your trunk.
Easily the smartest.
At 2
night out
o'clock
this way.
in the morning and you already
Ooh,
drunk.
here.
I said you drink so much,
4
baby.
speed.
Is a low down dirty shame. And the way you swallow that bottle, look ought to be your middle name.
Slant 6. It's a 170 slant 6. Oh, wow.
the bathroom, drinking, rubbing alcohol. Said you drink so much, baby. It's a low down dirty shame. And the way you swallow that bottle, don't you know that liquor ought to be your middle name? Well, you know you drink all the time. I know now, baby, you messed up all in.
Our buddy Ryan Brutt, the automotive archaeologist. You want an Ian Ashton sticker with the Hornet on it, find me at Power Tour. The car will be, I think I said earlier in this video, the car will be in the Auto Biotag booth Wednesday, and then Pilot Transport Thursday and Friday, and we got tons of stickers to give away. So if you want a sticker, find me. If we have any left over, I can mail them out too if you're not out at Power Tour.
Mine, I said, drink so much, baby. It's a low down dirty shame. And the way you swallow that bottle, look ought to be your middle name.
So
and the way you swallow that bottle, look ought to be your middle name. Oh yeah.
AMCs this year. This is super cool. Perfect, like patina, polished LS. I think I remember this from last year. Hey, good color. A lot of modern motor in patinaed cars this year, which is super. I love that style. It's cool to see. I think they're cool. I just taught my dad something, and that is Harlequin VW. He didn't know that that was a real thing. It's the first time I think in my life I've ever been able to teach him something about cars. All right, so what time is it? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock. This is still the registration line. All the way there, all the way around, and then into that building that we were in this morning. Still people waiting in registration line.
Oh, certainly.
Dodging cones. Oh! Wow. 2JZ in a Dart. This thing is incredible. Definitely gonna have to look it up on Instagram. We're rolling for the Hot Rods on Beale Street thing. So I guess there was supposed to be a police escort, but that did not happen. My theory is they probably got called to like a triple homicide or something based on everything we're hearing about Memphis, but I don't know. It's super close to where our hotel is anyway. Super pumped to have this experience. So here's our lineup. Got Beale Street right here. They have the roads all shut down so that cars all on it. We're gonna try to find some food. We forgot to eat breakfast and lunch, so lots of Cheez-Its and that type of thing, but no actual food. So that's the goal right now. What a day. Got invited to Hot Rods on Beale Street. Super cool experience. Just a great event. Tomorrow we head to Nashville. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.